Well, hey guys, welcome to this video of Involv Chat. We want to give you a quick overview of our platform, even get you inside the platform itself. It's going to be a super short, straight to the point video of an overview of who we are, what we're here to do, who we're here to serve, and also jump into the platform. So let's get into it. We're here to say goodbye to missed updates and silenced chats. We don't want group texts in 2024. We don't want iMessages with 20 different apps. Really, we're here to imagine group chats, raw string planning tasks integrated in one place, creating a connected, active community in an easy to use platform. We want to make it as easy as possible for people to use the software and the systems, because your systems are as good as the people who can jump on and simply use it. So I'm tired of switching apps and still missing important information, getting lost in too many apps and missed group chats. Wish for an easier way to keep your group together. See, this is the cost to disconnect communication. This is the chaos of your current life, I'm assuming. You got big group texts, you got email notifications, you got planning center requests, missed Slack messages, you got 20 different calls on WhatsApp or just phone calls. And this potentially, again, is the effortless communication for Involv. You got simple group messaging, smart notifications, calendar integrations, all in one, task events, files, voice memos, etc. Analytics. So we're going to make your life easy. So all in one group messages, like we said, smart notifications, calendar integration, simple group messaging, and just a simple pricing overview. 12 members is free, 30 members is 19, 50 members is 49, and then 100 plus is 99. And we can go from there to even having white labels with some of our incredible partners. So this is who we are. We're super excited. And as we jump into the platform, I want to help you understand, again, the platform is as convenient or simple as us, making sure it's easy and straight to the point. So let's jump into the platform. All right. So welcome to the back end of Involv. He would obviously log in, and this is the back end side of our platform. I'm going to go over the back end, and then we're going to jump into the more practical inside and actual group chat, what that looks like. But just a simple overview here. You have organizational information, members, permissions, and analytics. So organizational information, as simple as that, you'd be able to edit your logo, what time zone you're in, simple invitations, and be able to track your 8 members in Involv. Jumping into members, this is where you're going to be able to see more in-depthly your members, and then also what features they can be accessed to. You can see them here. I have access to edit organization details, access analytics, create groups, and invites. You can even have team members not able to create groups. There's a part of groups, which is super healthy, obviously, making sure that people aren't just spamming groups or jumping the gun and making more. You can see Chris. He can't invite others to the organization, and he cannot edit the organization details. Jumping into permissions, like I said, this is a simple tab here of can anyone invite? And if this is open, you'll be able to see that anyone can send an invitation to Involv Chat, whichever platform you're using. Like I said, whatever group you're creating. Analytics, this is honestly my favorite feature of our whole platform. And I feel like this is what separates us from any other platform. So you can see the last 7 days, you can toggle it. You can even change it to last month of your backend analytics. This is your health barometer, however you say it, to your platform, your church, your organization, whoever. You'll be able to track, hey, we created 10 events, 10 of them are rostered, 7 of them were attended. So that'd be a 70% of the time we attended the events that were rostered. 2 out of 10 accepted, declined, 6 out of 10 no responses. Jumping into members analytics, we're going to see we have 5 active members. You have 8 total members. So 5 out of 8 people. And it gives you obviously a percentage of 62% participation rate. Over 1,000 messages were sent in the last month. And you can see even tracking and being able to quantify. Carson sent 608 chats. Josh sent 251. Craig Berry sent 200 chats, and then you have 4 and then 3. So again, this is super helpful for you leading a small group or maybe leading a team. You would jump in and actually see, man, how many messages has Adam sent this month? He sent 4. Maybe we need to give him a phone call. Josh has sent 251. We need to celebrate that he's engaged, he's locked in. And this is groups. You go to actually, as an organizational leader, jump in and see what chat is doing the most. So Josh and Carson only, that's him and I's one-on-one chat. You see that 476 messages were sent this last month, and being able to see, again, jump specifically into that, the last 7 days, 26 and 23. So pretty on par of normal. So again, being able to actually quantify how many messages, how many people are responding, how many people are seeing the messages, how many people are declining. As you think about it, iMessage, there's no read receipts. With group messages, you think about Slack, you can't see how many messages people are sending. You can just kind of hope and observe based on the engagement of the actual thing. This is a super easy dashboard to be able to see. And a little hint here, in the future, I would say in the next couple months, we're going to have a health meter to be able to literally go on any person's message and see their health meter. Maybe their green means healthy, red means, man, maybe we need to give them a phone call, check in, see what's going on. So that's the back end side of Involv, of our organizational information. Now we're going to jump into an actual group chat. All right, so we're going to create a group here, and we're going to call it Josh's Group. Now you can see it's going to be the demo chat, selecting it. I'm connected. You can add tags. Maybe it's young adults, youth, worship, no operations or leaders in this chat. Create. And this will jump in right into the actual invitation. So I can copy this directly and send it to all my people that need to join this group, be able to jump in. So now you can see our group chat here. So this is what a group message looks like here. We're right in the Involv platform. And I want to give you the simple overview again. Like we said, this is Involv. This is, again, to make sure your life is simple. If you want to add something, you can send a voice memo, you can add a file, you can create a task or event right from the message. I'm going to say, hey team, looking forward to serving this Sunday with you. So you can see now who viewed the message, be able to jump in and see, man, I saw it, maybe Carson or somebody else has not read it yet, but you know that we can do Kara, Craig, Carson, and myself viewed the message before. So again, you're able to actually see who is viewing your messages, not just hoping they do. So this is the back end side of the message, the group kids team that we made. See the members. Again, you can go kind of in to see who's doing what. This is big here. So the announcements only, you can actually set an announcement only channel similar to broadcast channel inside of Instagram. So this would be for one person or specific organizational leaders to be able to send messages and people can view it, but they cannot send a message in that chat. I would submit to you, maybe creating one for a Sunday morning or Wednesday night announcements channel, just in case something comes up or just general information needs to be sent out that not everybody could host conversation. So this is any presets. If you want to add any itineraries or maybe teams that you're looking to add, so maybe let's just add a preset team. Preset 1, team name. Let's do hello team. Add member. Let's just add me and Carson. So now this is going to be a preset team that we can always jump into in analytics. Like I talked about before, this is more micro individual groups, but you can see how many events were made, rostered, messages sent. You get it. We've talked about that before. So jumping in again to the kids team group chat here, this is exactly what messages are going to look like. You can see that we can go back and forth. You can see the profile picture. You can click and see the profile, total groups they're in, accepts, chats, again, similar to other platforms. This is, I believe, where we're set apart. So jumping in, you can see that my Google Calendar is synced. So anytime I create an event, which we can do, jumping into creating an event, let's do kids service. It starts February at 9 a.m. It's defaulted to an hour and a half based on the service flow. Kids service example. Maybe you have already the sheets and everything that they need to add. This is exactly where you'd add it. Maybe you're doing a curriculum, whatever, you can add it right from there. Let's create teams. Again, you can import preset. So let's do preset 1, hello team. Maybe we need to add a role for Josh, leader, creature, whatever. You would add it. So now you can see who's rostered, teams added. Again, itinerary. Let's make a simple itinerary here. Opening, playtime, closing. Simple service flow here. Opening. So now you can see the duration. Maybe it's 5 minutes. Describe your segment. Open up in prayer. Add member. So now you can tag, hey, Carson, I need you to open up in prayer. Playtime. We don't need to describe that. We understand what that is. Let's roster me and Carson. And then closing, we'll jump in and add Carson as well. So now you can see everything is set. This is the simple overview. Rostered, Josh and Carson, one team, Josh and Carson with our roles, itinerary, create. Now, as we just created this event, you can see on the right here, the service is made. So the event has been created. You can jump in and see exactly where people are at. You can even do team check-in, make sure Carson and Josh are there, checked in again. So you're making sure people are going to be there, check in, everything's dialed in. I would suggest doing that in your team huddle. Right when people are coming to grab their team badges, you're able to jump in and do it. Now you can edit teams, jump in, obviously change anything that has to be changed. And there's your event. Your event is created. It's as simple as that. It's automatically synced to your Google Calendar. Once you do that integration, so your event has been created. We're going to jump into the last feature of Involv that I really think is important in this video, and that's tasks. You can see that we have 3 tasks created for Carson and I to go through. We're going to create one just so you can see an example of what it looks like to create a task. We're going to jump into YouTube video for you watching this. So you have 3 options. You can do no priority, mild priority, or hot priority. As you can assume, this is as little as, hey, get this done when you can. Hey, next week or so, get it done. Or, hey, I need this done. We're going to do, I need this done by, you can see it's the 7th. We need it done by the 8th at 9 a.m. Task description. Upload video. And again, if you need any attachments, anything done, simple checklist here. Video, you can do thumbnail, description, done. And you can add obviously any descriptions of these and tag them. And just tag myself in this because this video is being uploaded by myself and be able to see that, hey, this is done. So create a task. It just was created. Now you can see on the right here, YouTube video. Upload the video, thumbnail, description. And once I'm done with the video, I can click done, done, and done. So what's great about this, one is once it's done, you can just delete it. You can save it as an itinerary and be able to, again, save it as a task that's just ongoing. And you can always toggle, if you are an org leader, my tasks or all tasks. So my tasks is things that I'm responsible for, that I'm rostered for, and vice versa. Just all tasks is somebody who is leading a team and people have individual responsibilities. Then you can go in and see, hey, these are all the things that we need to get done this week as a team. For instance, you can make it as for services. You can make it for responsibilities. Depends on your team, whatever relevancy that has for you. I believe it will make a difference in your team. So again, that's really inside of Involv. We want to make it as simple as possible. You can send voice memos, send add files, create tasks directly. Big thing here is you can see that you can react with emojis. You can also convert messages to tasks. I think this is super great. So I sent a message and you can click 3 dots and automatically sets it as a task. And again, no priority, vice versa. Be able to make tasks directly from message. I think it's important. Another quick note before we wrap this video up is if you delete somebody from a message, you will not get notified of it. I think it's super awkward on Slack or other platforms where somebody gets deleted from a group message and everyone goes, ooh, what they do, or, oh my gosh, they're in trouble, or what happened. This is a safe space that we'll be able to remove people from platform and they will not get notified on each message. So I hope this simple overview of what Involv is, who we're here to serve. Again, if you're a church leader, you're an organizational leader looking for a simple platform to be able to run events, run meetings, manage tasks and simply have effective, simple communication, I believe this platform is your solution. No solution, again, is the worst case scenario. Have a platform, have some sort of communication strategy. I believe this is the best internal marketing, internal communication platform you can get on the market. So I hope this video helps you. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. We believe that once you jump into the platform, again, we'd love to have a conversation with you. In this YouTube video, if you're looking to have a next step, we're going to have the website. You can jump in and just create your own group chat, try it out for free. Or if you're looking for more information, we'd love to have a conversation with you and hope to take your next step with Involv. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week.